welcome to Down Rabbit Hole. Find out why I'm excited. Today we are basically finishing off the steering column, so putting all the UJs in and connecting it to the steering rack. So hopefully this makes it easier to move the car in and out when I am doing the project. Thanks for tuning in. So this bit of the video, we are basically securing this bar down to here with a temporary aluminium plate, and then I can make it out of steel to probably wrap around here at a later date. Just want to secure this so we can get it actually mobile again and get it moving again. So yeah, I'll turn it into time lapse so you can see it all happening as we go. What we have now done is put the steering into where it's going to be. There's obviously going to be a column here protecting the shaft, so it's not open to elements, so it all fits in and looks nice, but it's going to be quite a snug and tidy design. So yes, I made a mistake. I cut the hole in the wrong side of the plate, which is easily done because it's close to symmetrical. But as we found out on the video, the centre column isn't central. I think they give you more space for the driver. So yeah, we'll go from there, and now we will start the side of the steering column. spindle, and also measure out the UJ and the spindle for there, and hopefully machine them tomorrow. I think by now it's getting a bit late. Machine them so they fit in, and then I can weld them up, and they should be nice and solid and future proof. Basically now I've got to weld that end onto there and that end onto there. We've not got much room for wiggle room, but it should be okay, should be doable, and it should rotate quite nicely as well. So we will find out. So watch this space. We have the spline for the steering wheel for the quick release, then we have a welding that part on, and then further down we go. It's A and B needs connecting, so probably machine that down by 5mm so it will fit in there to centerise everything, and then weld that one up, and then onto C's. So this is the bit down at the steering rack, goes to the steering rack, and then that's the spline for the steering rack. So machine this down to sit inside this 5mm, and then that will sit nice and central, and then weld it up. So it should be straightforward, should be quite easy to do. Here we have the column all put together. All the welds, really nice. Really good work. So now we're just going to fit it. Column all fitted now. Lovely. Just needs a bit of paint, and then move on to the next job. So, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you're enjoying the progress on the Dutton at the minute. Keep watching. Thank you.
I already started recording.
It's fine, I can do that.
Okay.
You ready?
Go.
All right, Gavner. No, won't they? Do that. So hopefully you enjoy this. In and welded up, ready. Hello, welcome to our rabbit hole today. Hello. Column to the hello, welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole today. We are going to connect the steering. Hello, welcome to Down.